In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover desktop Google Authenticator access from an export backup. If you previously created a backup of your two-factor authentication codes, we'll walk through how to restore them on your computer in a clear, safe way. One important note before we begin. There isn't an official Google Authenticator app for desktop. When people say desktop Google Authenticator, they're referring to a compatible desktop authenticator tool or a browser extension that supports imports from backups. That's exactly what you'll be using. Start by locating the backup you made. It will usually be one of two types. The first is a backup file, commonly saved as .json or .txt. Many desktop or browser-based authenticator tools offer an export option that creates this kind of file. If that's what you have, make sure the file is intact, hasn't been edited, and, if it's within a zip, extract it first. If you protected the backup with a password, have that password ready. The second type is a set of exported QR screenshots or photos. If you exported your accounts from the mobile app, you might have images of the QR codes. Keep those images in their original resolution and avoid cropping, filters, or compression that could make them hard to read. If your export produced several QR codes, keep them together so you can import them in one go. Next, use a desktop authenticator tool that supports importing backups. A common example is an Authenticator browser extension. Open the extension in your browser, then head to its settings area and look for a section called Backup or Restore. Choose Import Backup. When prompted, select either your backup file, like a .json or .txt, or your QR screenshots. If your backup was password protected, enter the password to decrypt it. After the import completes, you should see your 6-digit codes appear and refresh as expected. Many tools can import multiple QR images at once, which is helpful if your export included several codes. If your codes don't show up, confirm that you're using a supported file type, that your images are clear, and that your computer's date and time are set correctly, since time-based codes depend on accurate system time. Treat your backup as sensitive data. Store it securely, avoid sharing it, and remove leftover copies from your downloads, clipboard, and trash once you're done. That's it. With your backup located and a compatible tool handling the import, your desktop authenticator access should be restored and ready to use.